Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action and mark the present support and resistance levels for the current week. And when we look at the economical events plan for Monday is going to be December 5th. At 7:15 PM we have medium impact news planned for euro related currency pairs. Otherwise we have lots of low impact news for major currency pairs. Again at 8:30 PM we have high impact news planned for US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin with our gold analysis. So since the market was trading on a range last week, so I thought I will start my analysis from the monthly time frame. So let us look at the price action from the monthly time frame for today. So when we look at the price action in monthly time frame, it went and tested the resistance level of 2070, and from there we have noticed the price action to trend on the bearish side. After taking support around the support level of 1614, we have noticed the price action to bounce back on the bullish side retracement. So the current bullish trend is only considered as a retracement, it is not a trend reversal for now, and it is trading around the previous resistance zone. So when we mark the resistance levels based on the previous price action, so this area between 1830 to 1800 is currently acting as a very strong resistance zone for the current price action, and currently also it has to gather enough volume in order to break this resistance zone. Otherwise we can expect the price action to bounce back and to continue its bearish side trend. And when we look at the Fibonacci levels also, it is trading around the level of 0.618, which is also considered as a very strong resistance level, and only when the price action breaks this resistance zone, we can expect it to retrace up to the level of 1875, which is also the 50% retracement of the bearish trend it has made earlier. So the point we have to notice in monthly time frame, currently the price action is trading at a very strong resistance zone from the previous price action, and the current trend is still in a bearish trend for now. And all these analyses are valid only for the monthly time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in monthly time frame. Currently the price action is finding a resistance at the resistance level of 1800, and if the price action breaks this resistance zone between 1800 to 1830, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1875, and only when the price action breaks this resistance level of 1875, we can expect it to test the next level of resistance, which is going to be around 1920 and 1975. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance zone between 1830 to 1800, next level of support is going to be around 1764, 1680 and 1614. Let us look at the price action in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action from the daily time frame, we already know that previously the trend was on a bearish trend, and after taking support around the support level of 1614, we have noticed a price action to trend back on the bullish side retracement. And during this process, we have noticed a price action to make a triple bottom pattern also, and currently the triple bottom pattern also has reached its resistance zone where it started its bearish side trend reversal. Again, if the price action wants to continue its bullish side retracement, it has to break this monthly time frame resistance zone. Then only we can expect the bullish side trend to continue in daily time frame also. So wait for the price action to break this resistance zone if we want to enter into the bullish side retracement. So if the price action fails to break this resistance zone, we can expect the continuation of the bearish side trend in daily time frame also. For now there is no clarity in the trend in daily time frame. It is just retesting the previous resistance zone or the support zone. Let us look at the price action in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now, and we know from the daily time frame that the current trend of the price action is in a bullish side, and it is trying to break the resistance level of 1800. I have drawn a support line to understand the current trend of the price action, and based on this support line we can clearly see that after giving a breakout from this resistance line, we have noticed a price action to take support on this trend line or the support line and to continue with bullish side trend. So if you want to take trades on the bearish side retracement, wait for the price action to break this trend line or the support line, based on which you can freshly enter into the bearish side trade, or wait for the price action to break this resistance zone between 1830 to 1800, based on which you can freshly enter into the bullish side trades. And the current trend of the price action in 4 hours time frame is under a consolidation, or it is in a bullish trend for now, as long as it is trading above this support line from the 4 hours time frame. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. In hourly time frame also we have noticed a price action to continuously trade on a bullish side retracement, taking support on this support line from the 4 hours time frame, and currently we are noticing the price action to try to break this resistance level of 1800. This is a very strong resistance level because it is a psychological resistance level, and for the hourly time frame, as long as the price action is trading above this support line from the 4 hours time frame, we can expect the bullish side trend to continue. I am again drawing a resistance line for the hourly time frame also, which will help you to understand the current trend of the price action. Currently it is trying to break this resistance line, and if the price action fails to break this resistance line, we can expect the bearish side retracement to start in hourly time frame, which means that next level of support from the higher time frame is going to be around 1765. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to test this resistance line from the hourly time frame and to make a bearish side retracement, and if the bearish side retracement continues, next level of support is going to be around 1785, 1774, 1765, 1755, 1743 and 1727. And if the price action manages to break this resistance level of 1800, next level of resistance from the hourly time frame is going to be around 1814, 1823 and 1830. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1830, it will be the start of the bullish side retracement in hourly time frame also. Let us look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame now. I am in 30 minutes time frame now, and when we look at the current trend of the price action, it went on a bullish side retracement after testing the resistance line from the hourly time frame. We are noticing it to bounce back on the bearish side retracement. So wait for the price action to break the previous low, which is around 1780, if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side retracement, or wait for the price action to break the trend line or the resistance line from the hourly time frame if you want to freshly enter into the bullish side trades. Again, I would recommend you to draw a resistance line or a trend line for 30 minutes time frame also. And currently the price action is in a bearish side retracement in 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1800 and support level of 1789. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1789, next level of support is going to be 1780, 1773, 1765, 1757, 1744. And this area between 1802 to 1800 is a very strong resistance zone for the current price action in 30 minutes time frame. And if the price action breaks the resistance line from the hourly time frame, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue. And please refer the hourly time frame resistance levels. So the conclusion is, from the higher time frame to lower time frame, we are noticing to continue in a bullish side retracement, but after reaching the resistance level of 1800, we have noticed a price action to consolidate. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this resistance level between 1800 to 1830 if you want to freshly enter into the bullish side trade, or wait for the price action to break this trend line or the support line from the 4 hours time frame if you want to freshly enter into the bearish side trades. The ranges between this resistance and support levels are only for the scalping. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and share this video to your friends.